a zombie apocalypse. End of the world as we know it. What are you going to do in an austere situation when you're hiding in your basement, hoping medical care can come, but you know there isn't none? Having a book to help you understand the situations and deal with situations that's written in a logical and proper manner will help you get through such situations. Do we know of a book? Yes, we do. Matter of fact, we're going to have the authors of said book, Doc Bones and Nurse Amy, here on SOP this coming Tuesday. So if you want the quality information you need to deal with austere situations, join us. Bring your questions. It'll be a good time, full of lots of knowledge. So until Tuesday evening, be safe and God bless.